So I am at the Cluttered Coop, and I didn't get here before it opened. So what we're seeing now, which still is amazing, is really already quite picked over. So you really want to put this place, if you are on Facebook, get on that group, the Cluttered Coop group, so that you get notifications for when, for the weekends that they're open, when they have their special open houses, and the shop is open on special days throughout the summer. Spring and fall months really is very weather dependent, but this is all here for Christmas. And I know she said there was so much more here, but I didn't want to film around people, and didn't work out to get here before the show. So, but that's okay. She is open today, Saturday, and then also tomorrow, Sunday. And I will put the directions, information, all in the address and information actually in the description and on the screen as well for you. So we'll go around here. There's several buildings. This is such a neat location. You can see back there is a whole big stack of sap bucket lids. Cute that the little spice jars with the bottle brush trees. So much to see because there are layers upon layers. Another little building here. Oh, look how cute with the green sieve and the small animal collar. Oh, sweet. That one's just $25. Just the really early country prim look here. Perfect place to come if you're looking for old boxes or old books, maybe to cover with some of the reproduction calico fabrics, because these are all only $1 a piece. Oh, this is quite cute. Little candle holder tin. The quilts and coverlets. Our beautiful leaves here in Ohio are all changing. Every now and then you'll hear the chickens. And they added this really cute porch on the building here a couple months ago. And here's an old silo. There's a shop, part of the shop, and merchandise all still in there. Another little shed. Oh, look at the long johns in white. Neat. So those would be great with farmhouse decor if you have a predominantly white look that you're going after, as opposed to the old red long johns. There's baskets everywhere, sewing drawers. Dish towels, and this is so fun. Here's a whole bin filled with buttons. Nice galvanized buckets and a really big kettle. All the great little clay pots becoming harder and harder to find. Some of the milk cans. Oh, look how cute that is. Looks like an old feeder or trough, and then has a little everlasting growing in there. So charming. This is just such a neat destination. And all of these wonderful wash tubs. Cute. Look at those rail car carts. So they would ride along the train tracks, I guess. That's really neat. Lots of mason jars and some of the prim funnels. I know that that's something people can use to make little graduated sizes and create a Christmas tree. It's really cute how this is all staged out here on the new porch that you would never know was new. You can see the really teeny lights, I'm sure, in the evening. And you'll check out the next video. I will be going on inside of the house for a tour there, so you'll be able to see just this amazing collection that's been put together by this shop owner. But this is just absolutely adorable, and each of these little outbuildings are filled with various prim and antique pieces, just waiting for you to come and find them and bring them home with you. Lots of galvanized pieces and all these half pieces here for frames. Very neat. Oh, cute. So they're using these tops of, I think, for turning water on and off as snowflake ornaments. How clever is that? This is such a neat, oh, look at, there's a little face. Looks like a snowman. Love those divided boxes for decorating. so many goodies that can be repurposed in our antique and prim homes for decorating. Nice. This cupboard would be really adorable, even sitting on your kitchen countertop or right above it. You know, to hang as a countertop cupboard. Looks like it doesn't have a back, but that would be okay as long as it was on a wall. That would be really neat. I even have a spot for that. Might have to think about that. I'll have to see what that looks like with the doors closed. Gosh. Really adorable. Oh, look at the collar, the animal collar. Like we saw in one of the other rooms that had or buildings that had the Christmas greens and things in it. All right, let's go head on into the main building. Here's a really neat hinge piece with the point there and some horses' hooves, horseshoes for good luck. You know, you always point them upright with the U, so they're shaped like a U, so good luck doesn't run out. All right, here is a little extra area this year. These are Christmas items. The barn doors. Check out those early skates and a little scoop. This is just amazing. Barn venting.
Still have to do them. Yeah.
I'm not going to be able to talk. I'm going to be laughing. How cute. Just a little box, little artificial Christmas tree in it, the lights, the little tins with the candles. Oh, love this. It's a little gathering of books with the little greens. And then again, just like the bucket with all the buttons, here's a little container with all of these neat nuts and pine cones for your bowl filler. These I think are from a hemlock tree, if I remember right. Hemlock? I'll have to double check on that one. And again, more barn doors and Christmas wreaths. Okay, now I am inside that main cabin where you pay for all the goodies here at the Cluttered Coop. And look at all these poured candles in these neat little tin containers. Look at that, just huge cubby with the cupboard down below. I love this clock with just a little candle in there. How much is that? $20. I think that has to come home with me too. That's really, really neat. More of those divided boxes. More gourds. Again, something there that looks like maybe a door. Nope, it's just folded down. This neat buggy seat. Huge crock holding a prim Christmas tree. This neat old wooden shelving with all of the yellowware pieces. Here's the checkout counter area. That little lantern on the wall, that's coming home with me as well. Love all the lanterns on those hooks, those hay hooks. Again, all of these crocks stacked. Another neat cupboard with another one here on top. Again, boy, this I really need to consider. That might just work for our kitchen, at least for the time being, until we get some shelves made that I want in the corner. Wouldn't that be neat? Yeah, I think that might, maybe not today, but I think that needs to come home with me. And then another cupboard here with the bottle brush trees, all these wonderful bells. These are awesome on a Christmas tree. The large ones are only $8. That's really, really reasonable for the sleigh bells. My understanding is she does not ship, but I will double check. That neat, very neat pie safe. Here. All right, well, I'm going to wrap it up. This is all from this amazing shop, the Cluttered Coop, and I'll make sure to have the address and information in the description as well as on the screen. Take care, everybody. Keep looking, keep hunting. These amazing prim pieces are out there. They're just waiting for you to find them and bring them home.